I'm not the star of the show. This guy. Guys, I think it was me. I scrambled that cube.
That's your fault.
That's my fault.
Look at that guy. Mathematician.
I took all the internals out.
You shouldn't do that.
Yeah. Sorry about that.
There's Ryan Shell, there's Tyler Smith, there's this girlfriend. Quick room tour. This is zoomed in 2.8 times.
If I had a nickel every time Charles popped his cube, I would have 5 cents.
Yo.
Should start doing jumping jacks while filming.
Nah, I can't. I'll drop my phone. And my big cubes. That's $100 a cube in my pocket.
You didn't jump. You just did jacks.
Alright, I don't want to run out of storage.
Bye bye.